morning, good morning. First of all, grits. Grits are essential to tow truck driving in the South or Appalachia, whatever. And yeah, we're going out to the housing project this morning because apparently someone like left a van in the middle of the basketball courts. So, and they're trying to do an event out there and whatnot, you know, out there today in public housing. So we're gonna get out there and clean it up, make sure the events happen as they should, and yeah, just run with it. Just run with it. So let's go get something. Let's see what's up. How's it going? What's up?
What's going on, Chad?
How's it going, sir?
All right.
Excellent. It's,
He got no key.
you got no key?
I have a key. It's just like they didn't get
You have the key now?
I mean, I have a key. She just took it.
Huh?
Homegirl just had it. She just took it.
Okay, hey, sir, here's what's gonna happen. If you can't start this van in the next 10 seconds, I'm gonna need you to exit the vehicle and I'm impounding it.
I just got it at impound
Sir?
with the keys.
Sir?
Yeah.
Start the vehicle and move it. Do you see that tow truck?
Yeah.
Okay, start the vehicle, move it.
Okay.
Now.
I mean, we can. Move
No, I mean now.
Okay. I can't do something that's impossible, bro.
Okay, then
I'm
get
not
out of the
superhero just
vehicle.
yet. I'll put on
Get out.
Spider-Man costume if you want.
Get out. Get out.
got?
Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go.
So,
Let's go. Let's go.
I'll
Grab
just
your...
I'm riding with the tow truck.
Bro,
Yeah.
no. You're not riding with the tow truck. You're walking. Okay? Come on. Let's go.
You gotta come out the vehicle.
You need to step out the vehicle, sir.
It's fine. I don't see the problem. There's literally no road. There's no road. At all.
Is that you right there?
Yeah.
Okay, can you scoot down a little bit for me, sir? Thank you very much, sir. He's getting out.
He gets in the van, he hides in the van.
All right, all
We're
right.
not living.
All right.
All my like living possessions right now.
Auto save.
Like, everything I own is in this van.
Okay. Hold on a second. Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Highway patrol rotation. Okay. Give me one moment, man. Hold on. Yeah. I'm set. Yeah. I'm out here in Deaver View. Like, people don't want to get out of the cars. I got housing projects. Okay. Hold on. Okay. What's the address, ma'am? Park and Rutherford Road. Okay. Is it an arrest or a wreck? I'm said, is it an arrest or a wreck? It's a wreck. Okay, it's a wrecked truck. Okay, I'm sending a driver there now, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye-bye. Highway patrol rotation. I'm sending another truck on it. I got this thing. Give me what I said. I got a highway patrol rotation. I'm sending another truck to it for law enforcement.
Okay, good.
And I'll have this out of here in 1 second. In fact, I could start knocking it out. Terry, I'm like locked up here in the projects. I need you to take a highway patrol rotation. Smoky Park and Rutherford Road. It's a truck and it's a wreck. And Rutherford Road. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. I'm taking care of this and then I'm headed back. All right, I'm headed to do the painting job. Thank you, sir. Hey, sir, real quick. Can I get you to... fill out on there. I'm gonna get this thing out right now.
What are you doing, bro?
Grab the lighter real quick, man.
Not the way I wanted to start my own.
Real good.
That's a hell of a lighter.
Sure, right?
All right, sir. Thank you very much. Hey, can you slam that driver's side door for me? Can you slam that driver's side door? Is that gonna stay shut? It's not gonna stay shut. All right, let me take care of that. Where's your will, there's your way. I got straps. So now the guy's door is busted, and I got to get his door to be able to lock shut so I can tow the vehicle. So I'm gonna figure something out. So, ladies and gentlemen, Elvis is leaving the building. Yeah. See, I got crazy light, dude. Hey, how you doing, ma'am? What's up, ma'am? Doing good, doing good. Yeah, so I was saying, like, so yeah, it was crazy because dude is like clearly, you know, there's a lot of heroin right there, and he don't want to leave the truck, and he's really way too high, and you know, you don't have the keys for it. I'm like, bro, you got the key for it, start it and move it. Even if I take the thing and just scoot it out or something like that, I'd do it, you know. But I ain't gonna sit there and, you know, tolerate this junky nonsense of like, well, I'm high. And it's like, well, too bad. Guess what? I'm taking the truck. And then, and of course, you know, highway patrol calls for a rotation right in the middle of it. I'm like, I gotta call my boss, dispatch him to do my work because I got work stacked up after this. And then, you know, he tries to get back in the van to try to like hide under the blankets and whatnot. I'm like, no, I'm not having that. Like, I mean, I'm impounding it, just straight up. And then, you know, get them out for the second time, and then, you know, the door doesn't shut on the van either. So strap that up, boom, we got it out, and they can do this like community health service thing right there is what they're setting up on the basketball courts this morning and all that. But yeah, it was good work. It's interesting. And thanks for watching the show, and you know, I'll see you next time. Thank you. So if you want to see what a life of drugs looks like, let's go ahead and take a look. This is where this guy's living. You know, like this is the glamour of drugs. This is where it ends up. You know, this is pretty much what you get. I mean, to think that like this is the bargain. Like this is the bargain. You know, this is what you trade your soul for. It's what you trade everybody that you loved, who loves you, for all your relationships. Just ends up. This is it. Here's the glamour. That's what you get for a life of drugs. It's a whole bunch of nothing. Heck of a deal, ain't it? We'll see you. So why do we tow cars? This is an interesting car. Yeah, really beautiful Grand Caravan right here, sitting here at the hood up. Apparently another property manager owns a hotel next to this place where I'm working at right now. I spotted this vehicle, and he came up and said to me, he said, yeah dude, you need to tow them because they've been down on my lot doing a bunch of drugs for like 2 days, and I was trying to get them towed out, and then they just brought it up here. And as you can tell, like this is, you know, it's like a really nice place up here. You know, it's like a lot of elderly, you know, people, a lot of senior citizens and whatnot. And what they did is like they want to leave this car here, you know, so that they can do drugs. And this is pretty much what the life of a drug addict kind of looks like. I mean, here you get a wig over here, and like, what is that? Like a pair of skis? Like, dude, you're going skiing, bro. It's August. You know what I'm saying? Like, so yeah, we're gonna go ahead and remove this vehicle, and yep, let's tow it. And just so you can see like what's in the glove box right there, you know, yeah. Yeah, something I just want to say real quick and add on here is that, like, you know, I've had the management here like definitely compliment me, you know, several times, as well as like taking the time to call my boss and whatnot, and, you know, letting him know just what a good job they think I'm doing up here and whatnot, and, you know, how I'm like helping the community and whatnot. And, you know, I was gonna say, like, you know, it's like, I tow a lot of cars, but it's like, you know, when you're like basically towing drug addicts out of a senior community, you know, then you know you did something right today. And it's sad, you know, all the drug addiction and whatnot, but it's good work. It's what it is.